again to Japanese time. Okay, thank you again for watching my channel. Okay, today we have a new lesson in Japanese. And how you say hi, hello, yes, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Yes. Okay, let's watch this video. As what I have told you a while ago, let's learn basic greetings in Japanese. Yes. Okay, first one. Okay, when you say hello to your friend or anybody, okay, you will say konnichiwa. Yes. Konnichiwa. Again, konnichiwa. Now, when you say good morning, good afternoon, and good night, then you will say Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Again, Ohayo gozaimasu. Very good. Next is good afternoon. Okay. Do you remember what I say a while ago? Like konnichiwa? Yes, konnichiwa. Okay, konnichiwa, hi, and konnichiwa for good afternoon is the same. So you will say konnichiwa either hi or good afternoon. Okay? Again, konnichiwa. One more. Konnichiwa. Yes, very good. Okay, now when you say good evening in Japanese, yes, when you say good evening, you will say konbanwa. One more. Konbanwa. One more. Konbanwa. Yes, okay, very good. Okay, now after the good evening, that is good night, right? You say good night. Yes, you will say good night in Japanese. Say uyasumi. Uyasumi. Yes. Again, uyasumi. One more. Uyasumi. Yes, very good. Okay, let's do our recap. Okay, first is Ohayo gozaimasu. Next, konnichiwa. Okay, konnichiwa, there are two kinds of konnichiwa, right? Konnichiwa is hi and konnichiwa in good afternoon. Okay, next is konbanwa. One more, konbanwa. Okay, next is uyasumi. Uyasumi. Very good. Okay, now thank you again for watching my channel. Please again, don't forget to subscribe and ring a bell.